Good afternoon, students. This is our calvaria or skull cap. As you can see, this calvaria or skull cap is individually asked as a demonstration viva. Now here, few points we need to understand. This is the frontal, this is the occipital side. So therefore, interior of skull cap or calvaria will contain, you can see this frontal crest. So in the interior of the frontal bone, there is frontal crest. The same frontal crest, if it passes behind, there will be a sulcus in the midline. This is the sulcus, which is known as sagittal sulcus in the midline. And this sagittal sulcus will continue on the right and left, as transverse sinus. Now here, on this sagittal sulcus, there will be attachment of superior sagittal sinus, which will be covered by fold of dura mater. And that fold of dura mater will extend from frontal crest on both the margins of sagittal sulcus, it will extend behind. And this fold of dura mater is called falx cerebri, F-A-L-X cerebri. So falx cerebri is attached here on the frontal crest and then sagittal sulcus on both the sides of sagittal sulcus. And within the falx cerebri there will be superior sagittal sinus which is attached here. Then as we are able to see these small depressions, if you are able to see, these are the small depressions. And these depressions, very clear it is, all these depressions are called granular pits. And these granular pits are known as arachnoid granulations. And these arachnoid granulations will show that CSF is absorbed in these venous sinuses. And these arachnoid granulations are maximum as age advances. So these are all granular pits or arachnoid granulations for absorption of CSF. And then the most important point will be, see how beautifully, naturally this marking is present. See here. These are the markings of middle meningeal vessels on both the sides. This is on one side and similarly here, this is on another side. See these markings. How beautiful they are. They are middle meningeal vessels which are marked on, these two are parietal bones. They are marked on the interior of parietal bones. Same on this side, on the interior of parietal bones. So middle meningeal vessels, that is middle meningeal vein and arteries, they divide into anterior division, posterior division. This may be asked in viva. And these markings are produced more by middle meningeal vein and then middle meningeal arteries. So with this markings, we end our discussion of calvaria or the skull cap over here. In the next segment, we are coming up with the norma basalis intracranial features.